Hey everyone! Whoa. Oh, I know what's going on. Happy Monday. I'm hearing myself echo, but I know it's wrong. I know it's wrong. I'm monitoring myself and I don't want to be. Hey! Thanks again, Fireborn Bear, for the raid, and welcome everybody. I'm Jay Fries. Welcome. We're playing Super Mario Land 2 on the Game Boy, and I went ahead and black and whited it. Although I feel like it needs some color, but we can just go with the black and white. I guess that's more true to the Game Boy. Yeah, I paused my game Ugh. to be here. Which I guess that's not the case for this. But for the rest of my day, that was true. I think there is a green. Here, we can try it. But, well, first, thank you, Fireborn Bear, for the raid. We're going to be playing Super Mario Land 2. We finished 2 worlds. I assume there's 6, since it's called 6 Golden Coins. As always, we can take a break and play a game like Moon Patrol. Does not have to be Moon Patrol. It can be any of the games on the arcade list. And if I beat the high score, I'll put your name in the high score list. Hey, Scorpio. Hey, Pass. Howdy, everybody. Used OBS video filters. Yeah, I just have it directly from the thing. Here, let's do a clip from Fireborn Bear, and y'all should go give him a follow.
Oh, hi.
Oh, that's the doctor? Why is he shaking his head now?
You okay?
There you go. There you go, Lemon Square. You tinted it green. Good job. I remember. What's it? Oh, you know what? It helps if you actually turn on the Game Boy Advance before you do that. So this is the default color right here, and it uses just a palette on the Game Boy Color. But you can switch the palette on the Game Boy Color. So this is what it looks like normally. Isn't too bad. I'm going to assume it is. I think this is what we just did. That's what we just did. I wonder. Do up. What about that? A little bit more green. Come on, show us the screen. 3 streams, you think? I'm hoping it. That's not too bad. Sepia tone?
Well, no, it's not. It's got a little green.
Yeah, it's a little. You think this looks good? All right.
This has better contrast than that default color.
Yeah. You need to be a little bit closer to the microphone, Neil.
This has better color.
Yeah.
Or better contrast.
Yeah. Each would approve. All right, shall we get started? Did I do everything? Oh no. Oh no. It's not there. Oh no. It didn't save.
Oh, I wonder if you're I wonder if the battery's dead in it.
It was there. Must be. Do we need to do surgery on this thing?
Maybe.
It's bad because I tested it. It was working. Let's see. Here, I'm gonna give this to Neil. Oh, did you buy something that could open this? I feel like you did. Here, Neil's gonna look into this.
No.
Play something. Well, it's kind of what we're doing. Kind of what we're doing. I mean, no matter what, we're playing this again. Why didn't the palette changes work for this one? Yeah, I did. I think I'm missing every house. Why isn't that hitting? Should I be going faster? He's jaundiced. Okay, that worked. Oh, shit. Are you trying? Have you not been able to open it yet?
No, I don't think I have the right tool.
I thought you bought it because we opened up something else. Oh, fuck, the lady was after me. Serious vandalism baffles police. I would say that the arcade is much better than this. Like I missed it.
Opened it. Game Boy.
No, I thought you did because I thought we had to replace.
No, I think that was it.
No. It was an Oracle of Ages, Oracle of Seasons.
Bigger than that.
Yeah, here's.
That's a tri-wing screw. This has a game bit. I can order it. Can't get it now.
Well, what shall we do? I guess what we'll do is, why don't we play? You want to start Dragon Warrior? The Switch Game Boy app. Oh, the Super Mario Land 2? It is on the Switch. Well, we could do that. not ready though. Okay. You know what? Yeah, the Switch isn't even hooked up right now.
Order this tool.
Yeah.
Comes tomorrow.
Well, we don't even know what type of battery it takes either. So we don't know if we have the right battery. Well, it comes tomorrow. We won't. Yeah, that'd be fine.
I can't. I don't have an X-ray.
Yeah, I guess we could do that. You want to play another game of Fry's Quest, and then I'll hook it up and we'll play it on the Switch. We can do that. But original hardware.
Do you want me to slap you?
Well, it looks like we're gonna play it on the. I mean, go ahead and order the screwdriver, in case this happens again.
Yeah. Well, we'll fix it anyway because the battery might leak.
Oh, that's a good point. All right. So let's play some Fry's Quest. And I will hook up the Switch and get it all up and going. It's a Flaming Baguette is saying a CR2025 3-volt battery. I think we
Pretty
may
sure
have
have
those. Yeah.
That had to replace.
Yeah.
I think I have.
Yeah.
You know, you can't ever buy one of those. You can't ever buy one of those batteries anymore. You have to buy like 10 of them.
Yeah. Yeah, exactly. Well, here, you want me to hold on to it? Yeah, if you played last game, you can now join in.
Ready for battle. Ready for battle. Ready for action.
Those monsters stole me Lucky Charms!
That's right, you just
I used to
reset.
be an
Well,
adventurer
congrats
like
on
you,
prestiging
until I
up.
took an arrow in the knee.
I think you're the first one to reach Prestige 4, right? Alright. I'll be right back.
having a special today. On nothing.
I'm ready. Let's go. This store reeks of capitalism.
Ready for battle.
Those monsters stole me Lucky
If
Charms!
I find out this gold is fake, iron golems will be the least of your problems.
Ready for battle. Ready for action. Ready for action.
Ready? What do you mean I need to be ready? And where's the cheese? Where's the cheese for these fries that I ordered?
Good luck. You'll certainly need it. welcome to Neil's Deals. Where else you gonna go?
Ready for battle. Ready for action.
Those monsters stole me Lucky Charms!
Ready for battle.
Ready for action.
Shop's closed. Have fun counting sheep.
All right, I think we're ready to go. Thanks. Yeah, I was not ready to stream on my Switch. But we're good to go now. And I guess it won't be so hard to basically recreate what I did last night. But them's the brakes. At least we'll have that screwdriver so we can open up cartridges in the future. I think I had already used some of the coins, so I think I only had like maybe 70 or 80. Yeah. Oh, of the golden coins. Oh, okay. I didn't. I thought you meant just regular coins. 2. Yeah. 2. Yeah, I had tree and space. Yeah, it wasn't too bad. Wouldn't that be funny if it read chat and somehow determined whether your worthiness by your argument? And Murray got it with only 10% chance. All right, shall we try this again? Look how much clearer it looks. Because we're doing it on the Switch. Well, this seems like we were just here. Alright, that's too loud. You deserve it?
Something not quite authentic about this. Oh wait, it's that I can actually see it.
So what you're saying is you like the Switch version, is what you're saying.
I mean, I never had a Game Boy, so I don't have any nostalgia for it. But I definitely think backlighting is required for LCD.
Yeah. You wanted a Game Gear and you got a Game Boy? There we go. 3 up. You bought your own SNES. Yeah, I didn't have any of this because
You
I
didn't
was a
have any
poor
money.
college student. Yeah, I didn't have the money either.
I really just sort of gave most of this up. Just because, like, these were for kids. And I grew up.
Oops. Fuck. Going through this too fast. Like I played this last night. It feels. I mean, besides me playing it on a Switch controller, it feels pretty similar. My NES Joy-Cons needed charging, so I might be able to use those later. So now, can I go through here since I'm tiny? Ah, crap. It refused to buy batteries, so it was very short-lived, is what you're saying. Yeah, I heard the Nintendo store is pretty cool in New York. It's like cha-cha-cha. Crap. It's funny because I played this level a lot. Because I was using it to grind coins so that I could get more Marios. There we go. There we go. Perfect. Alright, this one I didn't play as much, but it was, I remember it not being too hard. Yep, cowfish. Come on. Oh crap. Just remember going this way. Yeah, there's gotta be a bell. Oh well. What if I don't want that? I guess that's what I get. Then I went here. Like it really matters. Bastard. Cha-cha-cha. Thanks, Trapper. Thank you so much for subscribing. Using that Prime sub. Hope you had a good Monday. Okay, I don't remember where I went last night. Something like over here. Yeah. I remember those things. Yeah, they are. They're definitely. It was fun. I had fun last night on it. I mean, I'm not happy that I'm having to replay what I did last night, but you know, shit happens.
Well, I mean, it's better to find that out.
Yeah. At least I only
Play it
played
again
like
tonight.
an hour.
Yeah.
Yeah. Well, the first game I completed in one stream. It was my Mario Day stream last year. Say what? Language. Go. There we go. That's what I wanted. All right, here we go. See if I can remember. I guess I still have to solve the level. Yeah, I remember this. Hey, Math J. Alice, not impressed.
I think it's funny you always hold your mouth open when it happens.
Because I think it's funny. So we had to switch. So the Wyatt Green, because it's original Game Boy. So we're playing on the Switch right now. My the cartridge didn't save,
and I don't have the proper tool to open it to change the battery.
But we're pretty sure we have the battery, right?
Yeah.
What did I do for this? Oh yeah, it was a 1-up. At least if you kind of screw up on the jumping there. Okay, here we go. He seemed faster on the actual hardware.
Not emulating her?
It's just how I remember it last night. Maybe it wasn't. Maybe it wasn't. Okay, we've already got one. Yay. I don't understand what this level was.
It's the dawning, the age of Aquarius.
Is it now?
I don't know. It just sounded good.
Yeah, this scroll does seem fast. And we went up here. Ah! Oh yeah, that's right. I tried that and I couldn't get it. Oh well. Ah! Oh no! There we go. That time I landed on it. Gotta rest my thumb. We'll go with that. Oh, it's gonna get carrot. All right. Thanks for hanging out, Stone Grinder.
That made no sense.
Oh, the little level there?
The little circuit. That's not
Yeah.
the way electricity happens.
Yeah. It is in the Mushroom Kingdom, or whatever this is.
Path of least resistance.
This is the path of patterned resistance.
Wrong. Wrong.
Crap. So close. We gotta get it. Which one? The space guy? We're in space. Can I get that? Oh, that's right. Oh, no, I can't. It's the next level where I'm... There we go. Oh, it's Mario Land. Okay. I didn't know Mario had his own land. Of course. Whoa! Great, I don't want to die. Yeah! Oh, the spitting up. Yeah, I don't know what those are. Yeah, I got it again. The stars here are so angry. I remember saying hi. You're like, this isn't a Juiced-In stream. Oh, come on. Yeah. Definitely un-Mario. I don't think... Well, no, I guess he did go on the moon in Super Mario Odyssey. I was about to say, he didn't really go to space much. But then also, I guess, Super Mario Galaxy. I guess this was the first time he went to space, though. Yeah, I know. Squished by a block. Was that the sound of being squished?
Yes, that was my interpretation.
Yeah. So like, come in. Oh crap. I never got to the bell. I was like, where's the bell? Here. I don't know if I can shoot stars. Can't really shoot the stars. You can have a shooting star, but you can't shoot the stars. Alright, we're not gonna go after all those. We're just gonna stick up here. Oh, I can shoot it though. Good to know. Crap. Shit. Totally not worth it. jumped out of nowhere. How could it? How could it? How could it? Great. Great. Hold on. My teleprompter decided to freak out.
Oh no.
Okay. I'm just gonna restart it. It made the text in chat gigantic.
Oh.
Gigantic.
That is not.
No. We should be good now. I definitely have more Marios this time around. Famous last words. I shouldn't have said anything.
That's what you get for being the king of wish.
Yeah, and then it cut, and then playing back at clips it.
Do the stars kill you?
They do. See how angry they are?
Yes.
They're angry.
They're like the Mr. Yucks of stars.
They are the Mr. Yucks of stars.
Greedy.
I was too greedy here. Yes. Of course. Well, at least I rang the fucking bell. Hopefully the bell took. Yeah, it did.
Would you run out of time?
No, I got squished. I got squished. Wow, that was all very close. Alright, here we go. At least now I have a strategy for this guy. It took me several attempts just to get a strategy on this guy. What? That didn't hit me? Oh, come on. And this guy, you know, the other guy seems slower. This guy seems faster. Right, we're back where we started. All right, let's go. We've got what, 587 coins? So if we go in here, we can create a restore point. Yeah, I will. Just a second. What does that do? It just stuck its tongue out at me. I guess you get nothing. Good day, sir. Hey, Zab. Alright, so you said create a restore point, huh? Alright. It's going alright. Go in here. Why can't I go in there? Why? I see.
No privacy.
No privacy. Of course it hurt me. Oh, thanks for following. Ah! I guess I gotta understand what all the ants are. Ah. Carrot. We could use that carrot. Didn't want me to go that way. Ah. Now let's go down. Go down. Oh, thank you. Now this is the time when someone does beard cam. There we go. Ah! Ah! Oh, thanks, Neil.
Sure.
What? Okay, I don't understand what I'm supposed to do here. guess I'll go back up. We're almost out of time.
Oh no!
I guess it's spiky water. I'm pretty sure Murray is not 6'8". Good answer, Murray. As long as I don't have to prove it. Oh. I bet. Look how close I was to the end. There we go. 3 up again. Bum, 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 bum.
Hmm. 6'8". I wonder if he played basketball. Seems like everybody tall does. Although I knew one person who did.
Who didn't? Is that what you said?
Yeah. I'm sure I've told you about Big Bird before.
Big Bird.
Yeah,
Yes, I think I do.
the guy I knew who everybody called him Big Bird, and he had a share tattooed on his lower back.
Yes.
I can't remember what his real name was. Adam, maybe? I
You just remember Big Bird?
just remember everybody referring to them as Big Bird.
Volleyball. Ah! Of course. Of course. I don't know how I survived that. I don't know how bunnies would be at swimming. The fish kind of screwed me up because he didn't keep moving. He stopped.
Some rabbits enjoy swimming, and some
so
don't.
close to that.
Some rabbits enjoy swimming and some don't. Rabbits can swim. That doesn't mean they should swim. They tend to only swim when they're in danger.
What were you reading this from? Wikipedia or something?
I asked Google, "Can rabbits swim?" and that's, it gives you an answer.
That was the answer.
Yeah. Or in stew. That makes me think of that scene in Roger and Me where the woman asks if you want the rabbit to eat or for a pet.
Ah. One last one up there. There we go. can I do this? Guess when you have the bunny ears, you can't spin jump. Well, you can kind of float like Peach. Not very useful underwater. Oh, pretty god. Welcome everybody. Welcome, welcome. Welcome. How's it going, Julio? How was Thousand Year Door? You did! You beat it! Nice! Welcome, welcome. Yeah, we're playing, well, so we were playing that, we played this last night, and it saved it, and then we found out that it didn't save. And so I had to restart it, and we restarted it on the Switch. So we're playing the Switch version now. So, thanks for the follow. How's the potato pack? I don't know what that means. Is there a potato in this version? I have never played Super Mario. This version of Super Mario. But thanks for the raid. Everybody, I'm Jay Fries. I have finished 138 now games on Twitch, having finished Mario and Luigi Superstar Saga last night. And yeah, and now we're gonna play Dragon Warrior. It's already set up on my husband's NES there. Ready to go. Oh, oh! I didn't realize you had named my followers the Potato Pack. That's very funny. There you go. I don't know. I'd never thought about that until now. I love it though. The Potato Pack is really good. Well, here, let's do a clip. Uh-oh. You're workshopping it. All right, let's play a clip. Let's see what we get.
Yeah, I could go to Evo with it.
I mean, he probably should. Yes.
Oh, what is this? Sailor Moon?
Oh yeah.
Where am I?
How's that hair?
I feel like I'm in hell. It's
yeah,
so
you're
bad, but
wearing a
so
Sailor
good.
Moon shirt.
Don't they?
Oh, so he is.
Here, hold on. About to sneeze. Ah. Sailor Moon, Another Story, Japanese exclusive. Nice. Well, there you go. It's Japanese exclusive. That's why you haven't heard of it. Well, cool. Well, thank you again for the raid, Julio. Thank you so much. We are in the middle of the macro zone. Shouldn't it be the micro zones? Or is it saying macro zone because everything is small?
It's because this whole game is based on macroeconomics.
What is it now? If you ask nicely. Oh, okay. English translation. Okay. Oh, crap. I get for not paying attention. See the arrows on the ground? They're making me go faster and slower. Ah. The bell. I ring the bell. I don't know what to do about those. They're always running away from me. I think I can get that. Awfully high up there. Unless I'm supposed to go back for it. Crap. Getting pretty good at getting the 3 hearts in this one. This the last one on the macro zone. Oh my gosh. It's like a troll stole the 1-up. Weird. Uh-oh. Spikes at the end of that. Yeah, 1-up Kremlin, I guess. I knew that was going to happen. I knew it was going to hit a wall. I knew it was going to bounce back. And yet, it happened. Damn it. Where was that 1-up gremlin? What was that? What does an M potion do? Of course. Bag of money, maybe? Yeah, maybe. Trapped forever now. Ah. Oh, here we go. Boss fight. Fuck. If I could just hit it. Okay, here we go. Go. All right, 3 gold coins. Alright, let's go. Yeah, we have like 500. See if we can get more. And one up. Ooh, 20 up. Holy crap. That would be great. Alright, here, let's do another. Alright. Where should we go next? Power Rangers. I knew once we once we had that we would have to make that a sound. Ooh, it's Pumpkin Zone. I was thinking Witch Zone or Halloween Zone. Not Pumpkin Zone. Oh my goodness, it's a Jason mask with a knife in it. That is quite unique. And a Jason mask would be a hockey mask. Ah, crap. Yeah, because I didn't have to put up with the name Jason for my whole life.
What's wrong?
Oh, nothing. I was just saying they're Jason hockey masks.
Oh.
Look, boos that are behaving proper boo-like. Let's go up. Of course. Of course. Oh, well, that was nice. Oh, that did not hit me. Saw that coming. Boop. Ah, I should have gone closer. Ah! I kind of freaked out a little bit when I saw that. I'm pretty sure I landed on it. Good thing I have all these Marios. Right here. What was up there then? What? Oh my goodness, it's Dracula. I missed it. Oh, I missed it completely. I got nothing. Good day, sir. Good day, sir. All right, let's play some Fry's Quest. Thanks again, Julio, for the raid. Oops. It helps if I actually press the button to play Fry's Quest. No soup for you. Exclamation mark join if you'd like to play some of the Fry's Quest. Yes, the Fry's Quest. Go. Shipwreck and Zab.
Steals.
Get us
We're not
started.
satisfied until you're not satisfied.
Arg. Arg.
Ready for action.
Ah. Hey, Asom. All right. Have a good one, Flamey Baguette. Thank you for being here. It's only what? 12, 1, 2, 3, 4 a.m. Okay, yeah. We're beyond.
Really? With those shoes? You've got to be kidding me.
Well, Dark Passenger already level 2.
Ready for action. Ready for action.
Today is a good day to fry.
Day is a good day to fry. Sliding in there, Oceanic.
Good luck. You'll certainly need it.
Oh look, it's a little baby. It's a little baby. Squish, 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 squish. Squish, squish, squish. Alright, I'll be right back. See you in a second.
Today only. 2% off when you spend 10,000 or more.
Ready for battle. Ready for action.
Today is a good day to fry.
Ready for action. Ready for action.
We're closed. Get out of here. Welcome to Neil's Deals. Where else you gonna go?
Ready for battle. Ready for battle.
Today is a good day to fry.
Ready for action.
Ready for action. Ready for battle.
I used to be an adventurer like you until I took an arrow in the knee.
Hello again. How's the battle? Thanks, Dark Messenger. Uh-oh, it looks like Scorpio passed away. It's very battly. Oh, who's gonna get it? Who's gonna get it? Awesome! With only 8% chance. Ow! Congrats, Asim. All right. What are those? Can I hit them? Oh, I can stand on them. Oh my goodness, what are those? Baked. Can I go this way? Then I fell. Uh-oh, it's a firm spirit. How am I down here? Oh. That was unexpected. Uh-oh. Fuck. I was gonna be upset if I couldn't get up there. Those things. What up? Go. Yeah, I guess not. Of course not. Denied. I guess there's no way to get it. Is there a way to get the carrot? Okay, I get it. I want it. Ah, crap. Got the one up though. Oh, crap! I would. I didn't want to do that. It's okay. Is that a Koopa ghost? Oh, I thought I was dying. Can I just jump through here? Get that bell. Fuck. That's gonna be tough. At least they kind of switch in and out fast. So it shouldn't be too bad. That. Crap. Oh, ring my bell. Oh. Like that. You got a pedicure. Nice. I have never had a pedicure. Oh, okay. It's not They're still there, you just can't see them. I thought they were winking out of existence. Hey, Zeno. Big Wario in the balls. I gotta get all his coins first. Oh, come on! That's the second time I missed them. Oh my god, what is this? At least I can jump on it. Aldrin. So many enemies that are very sperm-like in this game. Ghost lampreys? They kind of look like lampreys. I'll take that. Can I get in here? Oh fuck, I did the same thing. I did the same thing. It should have been ghost lampreys, I tell you, in the Super Mario movie. Ghost lampreys. Oh. He's tricky. Ooh. Of course I can't get that. Just like a special area. Oh, crap. Ooh, carrot. Right. Brooms. You would think that would hurt, jumping on a broom. Trying to be very careful there. Go. What is the M? What is the M? How do you get to choose? Keep the... I don't know what that was. What? Why didn't I get it? Oh, the spikes. I thought that was just decoration. not spikes. That's not fair. Dirt. This was the Mario money bags. I assume I'm gonna watch this time and see what happens. Okay, we have 329. Yep. 50 coins. Here we go. It doesn't matter. I hit the spikes, but it doesn't matter. Four coins. Okay, that's interesting. Oh, I see. Alright, let's try spinning the wheel again. Five up. Creating another suspend point. Because I'm paranoid now. Alright, it looked like Mario Land? Mario Zone. Why is this Mario Zone? Oh. There you go. That would be a reason. Just creepy. I have never played this game. I played the first one. Gosh darn it. Yeah, for a Game Boy game, it's pretty cool. Goodness, a giant razor. Press this level. Oh. Let the giant razor blade drift on by. How did I do this a second ago? Guess I'll take it. Considering that's what I always was already doing. Oh, we're at Mario's crotch. Let's play Mario's crotch level. Oh, it's a lot of balls. Oh, I hit it with my foot. He's got like some sort of lice going on in this area too. It has wings. Might want to go to a doctor. At least a pharmacy. Of course. Let's get all the one-ups. Teddy bear on a ball! I thought I was gonna bounce on the ball. Nope, I'm gonna ride it. Oh, okay. I know, they're so cute. That isn't what I wanted. Pump, pump, pump. Oh, that was evil. That was evil. That was evil. Yeah. Got it anyway. I got it. Mario's tongue, huh? Fuck. I guess I gotta write it. Hmm. Okay, can't write it. Okay. Oh, can I get on the thing? I guess I gotta write it, which is wrong. I don't have to write it. Crap. That's what it is. Crapola! Why isn't he affected by the conveyor belt? Why? Ooh, that's close. Crap. I was gonna say, what do you do when you fall off? Go here. I don't know how to get rid of those. I guess you don't. Of course. Oh, that was evil. That was evil. It's not really. It's grabbed him by the cheek. My eyes! My eyes! I'm blinded!
Oh my god.
Oh, boo. I got the one up.
Didn't time it.
Yeah, I didn't. I don't think the implementation of this was all that good. This again. Boop. Boop, ba-doop, ba-doop, ba-boop, boop. Oh, I guess we're up in Mario's brain now. Oh look, Legos. Oh, come on. I totally didn't hit that. Why does it say N and B up there? Oh my goodness. Stars. Here we go. What's going on here? Oh my goodness! Wait! So close. I was like, what is going on here? Why are the three little pigs in Mario's brain? Mario needs to see a therapist. Too fast. And I did it again. Ah. Into bacon? I do need to turn him into bacon. Thought maybe there might be something hidden there. Alright, I am not gonna run to the right. Fuck. Man. Hey, Mr. Queepster, how's it going? Oh, excuse me. That was close. It's not fair because it's like I have to. Normally, I only have to do is hit something 3 times. You have to hit it 3 times, not 9 times. 3 times 3. You can see the money bags down there. Ah. Totally screwed that up. Wish I could get another, something else I could pick up. I am gonna pick up the money bags. Come on. Ah. Yeah, you don't want to kill him. Oh my goodness. I hate that I get hit there. I keep getting killed on this exact same spot. The exact same spot. Third pig, second hit. Over and over. At least it doesn't take that long to get back. Right. There we go. Of course, that time. I didn't get hit the whole time. About my wee wee. Yeah. Wee wee all the way home. Coins. Alright, let's Hey Profongo, thank you. We're gonna go for that 20. We gotta get that 20. Where is it? Right there. Oh fuck. So close. So close. So close. Okay. Oh. Well, there you go. Oh no, it's all underwater. Turtle zone. Is this all underwater? Ah, shark. I mean, you could give me a mushroom. There we go. I don't know if I enjoy swimming. There we go. 3. Let's say, are we gonna be in the whale? I don't know if that did anything. I keep thinking the portholes are coins. That was totally not worth it. Oh, of course. How do I go? Wait. Where was that? Wow. Over here. Had to go all the way over here just to get that. Those things are just evil. I'm just gonna go over here. I guess I gotta go down here. I'm gonna go this way. Money! Why don't I just shoot through those pipes, don't you? Patience. Too bad. Yeah. Hooray. Turtle zone. Are we? I guess I'm turtle zone. Whale zone. Got a lot of Abdullah Oblongatas. Or what? What are what's the thing that oh, I see. What's the thing that hangs down in your throat? Oh, that was evil. That was just evil. Evil, 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 evil. Uvula, that's it. That's it. There we go. That's better. I keep thinking those little polyps there are hearts. It'd be good to go down there. Yeah, I guess that was good in that sense. Crap. I'm just gonna have to be patient through here. Oh, good. This is the part I was saying. I have to be patient. This or some shit like that. Come on. What I meant to do. Mario looks like Ernie in this game. When he's small. When he's big, he looks like Mario. What? Oh, that was just evil. Oh, and then it falls through. Evil. Evil. I've declared everything evil. What? I guess you can't kill bonefish with fire. Oh, that's right. There we go. Ah. All right, 6 coins. Uh-oh. That sounded ominous. We got enough to try this one more time. Oh my god, it was so close! It was so close to 20. I was so close. It was so close. So close. Holy shit. Man. I was so close to getting that 20. That totally did not hit me. Oh, that must be lava. Can't really tell. This lava. Fuck. How am I supposed to cross that? Not do that to me. I'm trying to take this slow. Ugh. It sucks that there wasn't a bell anywhere. Like, it'd be easier if it like, where the pipe was or something. Like, save. I mean. Hey, got Scarab House going. Okay. I still got it. Okay. We had to start this game over from scratch, which wasn't all that great. That's an evil. That's evil. No wonder this is Wario's castle. Fuck. Well, well, we had to restart it because the battery on my Game Boy cartridge wasn't working. And so we played a little bit last night, and it didn't save. So we need to replace the battery. So we just booted up the Switch and are playing it on the Switch. The thing is I checked it. I made sure it was saving before I played it. Fire. Why didn't it fire? Trying not to get hit. Here we go. All right, here's where we died. I may have to count it and see how long it stays in there so I can time it. What? How many Marios? We were at 10 Marios? God, I hate getting hit. Obviously. Oh, crap. I keep thinking that I'm hitting that other one again for some reason. I was trying to make that a short jump. How about I take a fireball right to the face? Oh, that was close. Right to death. Oh well. No rage throwing. I'm usually pretty good about not throwing my controller. One 1,000, two 1,000. One 1,000, two 1,000. Where's the fucking bell? Oh my god. No. I knew that wasn't gonna happen. Oh my god, this one's running faster. Wow. I ducked right into that. Ducked right into it. Arr. Arr. That was a mistake, by the way. I did not mean to do that. Oh my god! You get so close to getting through it. What the fuck? I wasn't on it. Hey, look at that. I got through here. I got through that part without getting hit. I wonder what this is going to give me now. Interesting. You know, it'd be really nice if it gave me the carrot, the bunny ears. I try to beat any game it comes my way. I remember Zelda 2 was was the one that I finally beat it using the 1000 to 1000. Using the suspension and all that other stuff, save points and stuff. Why could I run that? Ow. Oh, close. One 1000 to 1000. Ah. We may have to load. May have to load the spin point. I guess let's go ahead and load it. Oops. I'm wondering if that with the hands, if you just kind of, you just run through it really quickly. If you can just, maybe I'm overthinking it. Really trying to finish this game tonight. That was close. I just gotta remember right there not to do a big jump, to do a short jump. Here we go. We're just gonna run. Oh, see, that was close. I don't know what to do here. Oh my god, really? Oh my god. It's so difficult. I keep thinking that it's gonna give me a chance to save. And it doesn't. I was holding down sprint, but yet it did not think I did. Maybe I jumped too early. Shite. It's like, you know, definitely the difficulty has ramped up. Yeah. Oh my god. Please give me a save point. Oh my god. Oh no. Oh my god, I can't believe I got past that. Do I have to kill him? Oh my goodness. Oh my god, now there's two of them. Double. It hit me. No. It did not hit me. That was like a spectacular jump. Oh no. Oh no. That work. Why can't I hit him? I can't believe I've got to go all the way through this again. Do I have to go from the beginning? Should we? All right, hold on. How do I rewind again? Oh, I can't go. All right, well, we'll go there. Uh-oh, now he's fiery. Aw, he's crying. What? Was Wario a dream? His whole castle as a dream? Or are you just gonna turn that into Mario's castle? Yeah! Mario has a castle now? End. Well, so the reason I did the reason I spun it back was because it's like it's almost 1:15 in the morning. That's usually when I stop streaming, and I was like, I just need to finish this game. So that's not too bad for you know, having to start the game over from scratch tonight. Exactly, the first appearance of Wario in a game. But yeah, it was fun. It was a fun little game. So Super Mario Land, I was able to finish in one stream too. So I guess technically this was 2 streams, but just because I had to start over. But for a Game Boy game, it's pretty good for a Mario game. Yeah, that's true. In fact, I don't think Super Mario Land 3 is actually on my list. It's on my Wario list. Since it's technically a Wario game, not a Mario game.
Did you finish it?
I did.
Oh, congrats.
Yeah.
That was a single stream game then.
Yeah, I did. I started it over this stream. It was
Yeah.
technically my second stream because I had to restart and
But
play
you-
those levels
you
I hadn't
Played
finished.
the whole thing in one.
I played the full thing in one stream. Yeah, I did right there at the end. You didn't see me rewind. I rewind. I'm like, fuck that. I'm not playing that level again.
Special thanks to Mom.
And Wario. Indian doll. Gonna start over. I thought it was trying to end the song, and like any good game, it's locked up. Well, except for that. This is good going out music. Anyway, thanks again everyone for being here. I may or may not be streaming on Wednesday. We have to pick up our daughter from the airport. And of course she put it like right at 9 o'clock. So it's unlikely that I'm going to get back by 9:30. I don't know, are we eating before? We're just going to be like, eat up this food. I don't know, we'll have to figure out what that. So if anything, it's going to be a late stream. Depending on when we get back, I'll either start up a stream or not. And we'll be starting Dragon Warrior on the NES.
Oh.
I did test to see if it would save. It did save. Your NES, Neil, is hooked up and working. Are you? And I'm using my 8-bit Do wireless. It's not very wireless right now because it's charging, but wireless NES controller. Brand new. So that'll be fun. We're also going to start the vote. And by the vote is we're doing it differently this time. We're doing it tourney style and doing it 2 games at a time. This game or this game. This game or this game. This game or this game. And we'll do it like 100 times over multiple games. And so I have it kind of... I randomized it. And we'll see how it goes. I stream every Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and Sunday at 9:30 p.m. Eastern, and on Saturday at 3 p.m. Eastern. If you can't be here live, go check out YouTube at youtube.com/jpartv, where everything I've ever streamed lays. Thank you to all these wonderful people, including my husband Neil, for being here. All these people are my subscribers. They get ad-free viewing, all those emotes, and my appreciation. Extra stuff in Fry's Quest. Thank y'all so much. You want to hang out on the Discord? There's a link. And there's our raid messages. It's funny how you think this music's going to end and then it loops. Let's see who's out there that we can raid. I still want to see if I got... There's supposed to be like a new raid. Like if you go to your stream manager. Nope, I still have the same old one. Alright. looking for someone to raid. Oh, sure, Oceanic. Thank you for hanging out.
Night, man.
Yep. Peace and long life. What is this? What are they playing? Okay, they are playing. Okay. So we're gonna go over to Retro Jenny, who's playing Earthbound. All right. Thank you so much for being here. Hope you have a wonderful, wonderful week ahead. And stay safe out there. And hope to see you back here on Wednesday, maybe. If not Friday. You can always go over to the Discord and I'll keep you up to date. All right. Thanks, everyone. Have a good one. Love you all. Bye.
Bye, everybody.